Hi, my name is Erin. Today we're going to go over sorting data in Excel by multiple columns. I'm using Microsoft Office 365, but these instructions are similar for previous versions. The only major differences are the ribbon tab, and in much older versions, the sort and filter button. So the first thing we're going to do is select the data we're going to sort. Next, we'll go up to sort and filter. We click on that, a little menu pops up. We're going to choose Custom Sort since we're sorting by multiple columns. This is your Custom Sort menu. The first thing you'll want to choose is the column you wish to sort by. For this tutorial, we're going to choose Medical Card. Next, you'll want to choose what you want to sort on. In this box, there are 4 options, but cell color, font color, and conditional formatting icon are advanced sorting options we are not going to cover in this tutorial. For a majority of your sorting, you will go off of cell values. So just go ahead and leave that as cell values. And the next option is the order you wish to sort by. Since this column has dates, your options are oldest to newest and newest to oldest. When the column that you've selected begins with letters, your options will be A to Z or Z to A. When the column you select contains numbers, your options will be smallest to largest or largest to smallest. This third option, Custom List, is an advanced sorting option that we will not cover in this tutorial. For this tutorial, we'll go ahead and choose oldest to newest. And since we're sorting by a second column, you'll come up here and select Add Level. And then you'll repeat the process again. We're going to sort by driver. We're going to leave cell values. And then for this tutorial, we're going to choose A to Z. You can continue adding levels for as many columns that have data. So for this tutorial, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns, which means you can add up to 7 levels to sort by. And if you decide you want to delete a level, go ahead and click delete, and the level goes away. We want to keep that one, so we'll go ahead and pop driver back in. Now, one thing you want to make a note of is this option right up here. My data has headers. What this does is it notes that this top row has header information that does not need to be sorted and will be left the same. If you deselect the box, as you can see, that information has now been selected and it will be sorted. But we don't want that row to be sorted, so we'll go ahead and click and we'll hit OK. So as you can see, the information has changed. Just take a quick look at Medical Card, and you'll see that the dates have gone oldest to most recent. Now you can see right here, there are 2 dates that are the same. So we'll come over to the driver column and see that these 2 are alphabetical. Further down, you'll see that these 3 dates are the same, and these 3 drivers are alphabetical. So that is our tutorial on how to sort by multiple columns. I hope that was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.